Hello, this is Lorenzo from EventSmart, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up a retreat using EventSmart. If you're planning a retreat for your organization, such as a church or ministry, then this video is for you. So for this example, let's say that we are planning a multi-day retreat. So we can get started by entering in a title. So let's say something like Annual Member Retreat. And now what I'll do is drop in some details so we can take a look. So this is a multi-day retreat with different registration options available, students, individuals, and couples. And it will take place in early November. And here are the pricing options. So for a couple, it's $150, individual adults, it's $100, and for students, it's $75. So those are the details. Let's continue by creating the dates. So we're going to use the date time selector and go till November. And then we're going to select the 7th. And this begins at 6 p.m. So we'll use the slider and select 6 and then click on done. And it wraps up a couple days later at noon. So we'll use this, the slider and move till 12 p.m. and then click on done. So we've just set up the date for the retreat. Now it's time to set up the registration options. So what we'll do is copy in the details for the first one, and we can paste in and replace this existing option. And for the sell until date, let's wrap this up about a week before the retreat so we can finalize our details. So let's go with the 1st and then click on done. And for the price, we're going to skip that for now, and then we're going to clear the quantity. And what I can do to save a little bit of time is to duplicate this twice, so 1 and 2, and we did that because we actually have 2 more registration options. So what I'll do is update this one to adult and then update this one to student. And now we can enter in the pricing, so 75 and then 100. Now for married couples, we actually skipped pricing earlier because we're actually going to handle this one a little bit differently. A couple is 2, so we're actually going to use the bundling option within EventSmart to handle this. So what I'll do is click on this advanced settings icon, and I'll scroll down, and here are 2 fields that we'll use. So for minimum, we'll use 2, and maximum, we'll use 2. And the pricing is $150, so for the price, or $150 in total, so for the price here, we'll set it as 75. And how that works out is 75 times 2 equals 150, okay? So we'll click on that and click away, and now we can scroll up and click on Save Draft. And now let's go check out our retreat on the front end. So I will follow this link. And let's scroll down and check out what we have set up. So again, this is a multi-day retreat, and we have various pricing options. So let me show you how this bundled option works. If I actually click on this, you'll see that it has an option for 2, which means a couple can register, which is 2 guests, can register and pay a price of $150 in total, all right? So that is an overview of how you can set up your own retreat using EventSmart. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks.